So do y'all remember whenever I said that Glorious Game was going to send me a keyboard? Well, I got it, suckers. Here it is. No, but seriously, I got it, and this thing's actually pretty amazing. So this is what the keyboard looks like. So I chose the Celestial Flame keycaps because I really like the way that it actually has a lot of color on the left side and then all the way to the right side. Then I thought, since there's an absence of color kind of in the middle and to the right side, maybe I just splash a bunch of color throughout the entire keyboard. So then I decided I wanted to go with that yellow knob and then also this blue top frame because I feel like this kind of gives it that like old school, like RGB kind of like toy effect or whatever. So I personally love the way this thing came out, and this thing is a tank. It is so damn heavy in my hand and it just sounds phenomenal. I mean, listen to it yourself. So thank you again so much to Glorious for actually sending me out this keyboard. I absolutely love it and had so much fun building it on stream.